Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you about one legit airdrop which is related to an egg airdrop. You have to claim an egg in the Trust Wallet DApps. So in the Trust Wallet DApps browser you need to claim the apps, but before that let's just move to our Telegram channel and do all the related tasks to submit the form. So firstly just watch full video and please subscribe my channel so that you won't be missing any new airdrop update. So friends, this is our channel Hidden Airdrop Finder and this is our airdrop. Now you need to do all these tasks. Firstly join the Telegram group. I have already joined that, and then join Telegram channel. Now follow the Twitter, retweet pinned post and tag 2 friends. Click on this. Click on, open the Twitter app or your Twitter account. Now click on follow here. If it's showing here follow, then click on follow. Otherwise I am already following it, so it's showing following. Now scroll down and in the first post click on like. After you have liked it, click on this. So when you click on this you need to tag 2 friends, so like this. So click on here, then tag any of your 2 followers or friends. Like I'm tagging these @Tom and I have tagged these both friends and my followers. So click on reply. Then I have already done that, because so I'm not doing. You need to go and reply, then click on here and retweet also and like also. After you have done all these tasks, go back to your Telegram group, my Telegram channel. Then you need, after you have done all the 3 tasks, then go copy this link, copy this and go to your Trust Wallet. Open Trust Wallet. Now click on here DApps, paste here your URL, click on tick and make sure that you select here BSC network. So just click on here and now click on Smart Chain. After you click on Smart Chain, then you will be ready to go with this site. Now just I am reloading the page again because I think there is some kind of bug here. Okay, no bug. Now scroll down, click on unlock wallet, click on trust. Click on egg. Then after you click on the menu, after you click on here menu and then click on egg. After you do this, you will need to scroll down and you will see that your wallet is unlocked now. Now scroll up, click on claim egg. Here one option of claim egg will show, so you need to click on claim egg option, or your first button you need to click. After you click, you need to complete the transaction and pay some BNB fee. After you pay the BNB fee, then you will be able to see an option here, click like application. So click here application egg. Then after you pay the fee and confirm the transaction, click on application egg. Now here it will be shown one kind of one form in which you need to fill all the details, like join the Telegram group, and now you need to fill all the details like your Telegram username and your Twitter username, and also you need to submit your Twitter retweet link, which you can get from here. Open the Twitter app. If you want to submit your retweet link, then open the Twitter app, open Twitter, click here on the top 3 bars, click here on your account. Now click on tweets and replies, scroll down and see where you have tagged your friends. This is crypto Pokemon. This is the giveaway, and there is your two or three friends tagged. Now click on here, share button, click on copy link and submit it on the form in which you need to submit the form. Then after you have submitted the form and done all the details, then last option will be to enter your BSC address, which you can get from here. Always remember that BSC or Ethereum ERC20 address is same like this BNB. Now just open this smart chain, click on copy and submit your this address, paste it this your address and submit it on the form. After you have submitted the form, you have done all the tasks, but make sure that before you submit the form you have clicked the claim button over there in the site which we just opened here in the Trust Wallet DApps. So after you have claimed and done the transaction, then open the form and submit the form, and then after you have submitted the form you are all done. Now you just need to wait for the airdrop egg to show in your account in your dashboard. You need to check after 1 day or after some hours. Open this again, site again, then check, click on unlock wallet, click on trust. After you click on trust, it will be shown like this. So here it's showing my egg 0. It's showing my egg is 0 because I have just filled the form, and the form is just filled, and after 1 day or some hours it will be updated. Then it will, after the update, after it's get updated, your my egg will show here, your egg will be shown here, and after you have got one egg you will be able to sell your eggs like this. It is listed here, egg shop, in the egg shop. After you have got the egg you can list it here. Wait for the update, wait for my update. I will update this in the Telegram channel, so you can sell these according to the price, according to the eggs rarity of the eggs you get. You can sell it on the egg shop here. So please don't miss this airdrop. Join fast, very fast, join this very fast and submit the form. Firstly claim egg and do the transaction, approve the transaction. Some small fee will be charged, then submit the form, and after you submit the form you are all done. You can check then after some hours that whether you have received the egg or not, and then you can list the egg on the market and sell. So please don't miss, just do all the steps very carefully. Thank you.